In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a fully functional custom application in just a few minutes using Microsoft Power Apps and Copilot. To get started, open your web browser and go to make.powerapps.com. Once you're there, sign in with your business or organizational account. This is the workspace where Power Apps and Copilot work together to help you turn a simple idea into a working app without needing to build everything manually. After you sign in, look in the center of the homepage for the main AI prompt box. This is the key starting point because it's where you tell Copilot what kind of app you want to create. Think of it like giving clear instructions to an assistant. The more straightforward your description is, the better your starting result will usually be. Next, type a simple explanation of your app idea in plain English. For example, you could enter something like create an app to track client appointments and service requests, and then click the send button. At this stage, you don't need to worry about making it perfect. Just describe the app clearly so Copilot can generate the initial structure for you. Power Apps will then create a preview of your data table. Take a moment here to review the columns and sample data that Copilot generated. This part is important because the data table acts as the foundation of your app. If the table is organized well, the rest of the app will be much easier to use and customize. If you want to improve the table, use the chat box on the side to refine it. You can type commands such as add a column for contact numbers or set the default status to pending. This is a simple way to shape the app around your actual workflow without having to manually edit everything yourself. Once your database table looks ready, click the Save and Open App button in the bottom right corner. Then give it a few seconds while Copilot builds a complete mobile or web interface for you. This usually includes useful elements like search bars, forms, and navigation buttons, giving you a functional app layout almost instantly. From there, you can customize the app even more by opening the Copilot panel in the top right and typing requests such as add a main home screen or change the layout to blue. This helps you quickly adjust both the design and the structure. Finally, click the play button in the top right of your screen to test the app and make sure everything works the way you expect. When you're happy with the result, select Save and Publish to make it live for your team.